So, how did you die? I froze to death. Ooh, that must be so painful. I'm so sorry. Yeah, it was, but after a while you go numb, so you don't feel as much. How did you die? Well, I thought my husband was cheating on me, so I rushed home early from work, and he was just playing video games. I ran into the bedroom looking for evidence, but I couldn't find anything. Then I ran into the bathroom looking for evidence, and still couldn't find nothing. Even ran around the garden, but still nothing. So what happened to you? Well, I was so exhausted from all the running around, I collapsed and died. Yeah, if you had checked the freezer first, we'd both be alive right